Most Amazon FBA beginners never check this, and that's exactly why they end up choosing losing products. This product is selling over 6,000 units a month, making nearly $63,000. More importantly, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Helium 10 to uncover the exact keywords behind those sales, so you can tell whether a product is actually worth launching or not. By the end of this video, you'll know how to validate any product properly instead of guessing. From our last video, we found this product, mini wooden craft clothespins. As you can see here, this ASIN is selling over 6,000 units per month with a revenue of nearly $63,000. That already tells us there's a strong demand. But now I want to understand why this product is selling. More specifically, I want to know what keywords are driving this traffic and sales. So the next step is to copy the ASIN. Now let's head over to Helium 10 and open up Cerebro. Before doing anything else, make sure the correct country is selected. In this case, we're looking at the United States because keyword demand and competition can change drastically between marketplaces. I'll now paste the ASIN here and click search. What Cerebro is doing now is pulling real Amazon data to show us exactly which keywords this product is ranking for. This is powerful because instead of guessing what customers might be searching, we're looking at what's already working. Now, before analysing anything else, we need to apply some filters. Filters are important because raw keyword data can be overwhelming. Without filters, you're looking at noise. Filters help us focus only on keywords that actually matter. First, I'll go to word count and set the minimum to 2. This removes very broad single word keywords and focuses on phrases with stronger buying intent. Next, I'll set the search volume to a minimum of 600. This tells us the keyword is being searched often enough to support real sales. If nobody is searching, it doesn't matter how good the product looks. Now I'll set the organic rank from 1 to 16. This shows keywords where the product is already ranking on page 1. That's important because Amazon is already rewarding this product for relevance. Now click Apply Filters. You can see immediately how clean the data becomes. We're now left with just 10 keywords. This is a good sign because it means demand is focused, not scattered across hundreds of weak terms. Now I'll sort the list by search volume from highest to lowest. This helps us identify which keywords customers are searching for the most. On the left, you can see all the keyword phrases in order of demand. Next to each keyword, you'll see something called Cerebro IQ score. IQ score compares the search demand against the competition. In general, the higher the score, the better the opportunity is. Now, over to the right, you can see the top keyword has a search volume of 3,441 with less than 1,000 competitors. That's a very healthy balance between demand and competition. Now, let's click this keyword and check it directly on Amazon. At the very top of page 1, you'll notice Helium 10's extension working straight away. You'll see the products marked with an SP icon, which means sponsored. If you don't have the extension, Amazon will still show this by writing sponsored just below the product image. Sponsored listings matter because sellers are paying to show up for these keywords. People don't usually spend money on ads that don't convert, so this often confirms strong buying intent. You'll also notice a label that says FBA most clicked. This means Amazon Brand Analytics has identified these listings as one of the most clicked products for this keyword. That tells us customers aren't just seeing them, they are actively engaging with them. As you scroll, you can see a lot of variety, different prices, different colours, different pack sizes, and different designs. The first product we checked has a 4.3 star rating, which is decent but slightly borderline. Another competitor has 4.5 star rating and is charging more, but the competitor is selling double the units inside the pack. Others are priced at $9.99, another at $5.99, and even a blue version with a completely different look. This variety is a good sign. It shows the market is not dominated by a single listing. As we scroll further down, you'll notice a product with only 49 reviews, charging nearly $13. This looks like a newer launched product. If the margins are strong, you don't need to sell thousands of units. For beginners especially, it's often smarter to build multiple products that sell consistently instead of relying on one big winner. Those smaller wins compound over time. 5 products selling 100 units a month can be more stable than one product selling 1,000 and then dropping off. You will also notice a sponsored video as we scroll down. This is where sellers pay to show a video ad directly in the search results. Video ads often get higher click-through rates and better conversions because customers can instantly see how the product works and what the product looks like. Now let's open Helium 10's Chrome extension and click X-Ray Amazon Product Research to find the strongest seller. I'll sort by parent level revenue from highest to lowest. If you click the graph icon, Helium 10 estimates how many units the main seller is moving daily using a 7-day moving average. You can also change the time frame from the last 30 days to 90 days, 1 year, or all time. This helps confirm whether a product is consistently selling or is just experiencing a short-term spike. Checking longer time frames protects you from getting caught out by seasonal products. As you can see here, this seller has been active from June 25 right through to the present day in 2026. That consistency adds confidence. These are small checks most beginners skip, but they make a huge difference when validating products. Always go through each competitor individually and check that information out. Use the tools properly and never rush the process. You can then repeat the process of copying the ASINs again with the filters I've shown you previously. Remember, you can always watch this video back and follow along. If this video has helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know if you want more Cerebro deep dives like this.